Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the instrument cluster from a Toyota Camry. But before we start, I have a request. Please subscribe to help me reach that 1000 subscribers mark so I can bring you some more awesome videos. Thanks. Let's get to work. First, to have better access to the instrument cluster, pull the lever, then move the steering wheel down. I'm gonna remove this screw here and another one right here. We are going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Now we are going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. Take it out. Now you have access to the instrument cluster. We're gonna use a Phillips screwdriver to remove this here, and here. 4 screws. We are going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that hold the instrument cluster. Once you pull it out, you can disconnect the connectors. Squeeze the little plastic here and pull it out. Same here, and this one too. Now your instrument cluster is out. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install the instrument cluster. Place your instrument cluster back to its position and connect all the connectors. Make sure you hear the click sound. Once you're done, push it back to its place and put the screws back in. Once you're done putting all the screws back in, you put the frame back in by pushing it into place. And you put the 2 screws here back in. Everything is back into place. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.